In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use relationships in Tableau, a powerful tool for data analysis and visualization. Whether you're a seasoned data professional or just starting out, understanding how to use relationships is crucial for making the most out of your data connections and improving your reports. Let's dive into it and get started. First, open the Tableau app on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the official Tableau website. Tableau is an incredibly versatile tool that simplifies the creation of data visualizations to help you understand your data better. Once you have it open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you aren't already acquainted with it. Knowing where everything is will save you time in the future. Next, you'll want to load your data into Tableau. This is your crucial starting point, as the information you're going to analyze needs to be at your fingertips right in the software. Click on Connect and choose the type of file or server where your data resides. It could be an Excel sheet, a text file, or even a database. Once selected, Tableau will import your data, ready for processing. Always double-check the data types and make sure everything is imported correctly to avoid hiccups down the road. Now that your data is loaded, the next step is to click on Data Source within Tableau. This is the tab where you can see all your data connections in one place. It's like having a bird's-eye view of everything you're working with. Here, you can rearrange tables, edit connections, and ensure that your dataset is properly set up for analysis. This step is crucial, as any errors here could lead to inaccuracies in your reports later on. So take your time to make sure everything looks correct. Finally, we reach the heart of today's lesson. Clicking on Relationship. Relationships in Tableau allow you to logically connect tables based on common elements, which is essential for accurate data analysis. To establish a relationship, simply drag one table to another within the Data Source tab. Tableau's intuitive interface will automatically highlight common fields and suggest how tables can be linked. You can modify these connections as needed, depending on the specific requirements of your analysis. Understanding and implementing these relationships correctly will improve the quality and accuracy of your analysis, ensuring your visualizations are based on solid data foundations. By following these steps and harnessing the power of relationships in Tableau, you'll be able to enhance your data analysis capabilities significantly. Remember, practice makes perfect. As you become more familiar with these steps, you'll find it easier to uncover valuable insights and present your data with clarity and precision. Thank you for tuning into this Tableau tutorial, and happy analyzing!